Paris 2024. Congratulations. Nagawa niyong mag-qualify sa Olympics, and it's a long process. It's a long process. Do your best. But again, enjoy the moment, kasi every 4 years lang ang Olympics, and take pride na dinadala niyo. Kasi ako po nasa IWF executive board ako. So, as an athlete, representative. So, yes po. So, nandun po.
So, you are part of the executive board?
Yes.
As a member of the Athletes Commission ba yan?
Yes po. As the deputy chair ng Athletes Commission.
So, nandun ka?
Yes, the whole duration ng weight. Nandun po ako. So, different.
After all.
Different role. Different role. So,
overseer ka nga.
yeah, yes po. I'm the representative. The athlete all over the world.